Hello everybody, I want to show you this video 10 cool things you can do with the Samsung Galaxy A50. So let's come to the first point. This is a point what you could use especially in the night. So it is called night mode, and let's go to the settings to enable it. Then we need the point display. And as you can see already, it is very bright, and maybe if you are watching this video in the dark, you know what I mean. So then we can enable the night mode, and you see what happened. It turns completely into black, and it is it is not too much stress for the eyes. And now the whole white stuff is in black. Yeah, so the basic screen is still colorful, but all the white stuff in the menu maybe or somewhere else, like in the Internet Explorer, is black. So a very nice mode. And this feature we can also combine with the blue light filter. So if you're going to the settings again, then on display we have here the blue light filter, and if I enable that filter, you will see the color is changed again. So if we tap on the blue light filter, it can also change the opacity here. As more opacity, as more you reduce the blue light in that filter. And you can chat to it as well. This blue light filter, you can say, okay, just if you allow it, just do it from sunset to sunrise, or set to a custom time with a starting time and an end time. This filter you could use especially before you're going to bed, because if you're not using it, your eyes could be a bit stressed and you have problems to fall asleep. May try it out, and it really gives you help. And in combination with the night mode is a very nice tool. So let me show you also how to enable easily the blue light filter. If you scroll down the second time here, you can also enable the blue light filter here. So it's a very nice mode. And another nice feature is if your phone is like this and you put it like that, the screen will turn on automatically, and normally you have here all your notifications if you have enabled it, and can see it already without touching any button or something like this. So just lift it up like this, or let me show you with my hand. If I lift it up like this, so the screen will turn on. So a very nice tool. So the next what I want to show you is a dual messenger mode. If you're using that, you could enable maybe 2 WhatsApp accounts. That is especially helpful if you have the dual SIM version with 2 SIM cards. You could use 2 messenger accounts. And also if you have some Facebook accounts, you could use also 2 at the same time. How to enable it with dual messenger? So we just go like this, go to the settings again, and then we scroll down to the point advanced features. And then we have here the point dual messenger. So in here are all the apps which one are supported on your phone. So in my case it is WhatsApp, Facebook, and the messenger. So if I tap now here to enable it, he will ask me if I'm sure. I want to install it. I confirm everything. Yes. For that, if you want to turn it on, so you have a separate list of your contacts, but I want to have my regular contacts, so yes. So it means you use the contacts for your basic WhatsApp and also for a second WhatsApp, and then Facebook and also the Facebook Messenger. So, and if I'm going now here in the menu, I have now here next to my main accounts, I have here always the second accounts with orange thing here. These are the second accounts, and if I want to delete them maybe one day, if I don't need them again, you just hold it like to uninstall the basic app and go on uninstall, and this app has disappeared. Or I can also go to the dual messenger here and disable it here as well, and again disable, and now I have just the main apps here, and here's my Facebook account, and so a nice mode to have 2 accounts on your phone. So the next feature is a combination between the camera and Bixby Vision. I know there are some people who don't like Bixby, but this tool is very nice and you should check it out. So let's start, open the camera, and then we have here the point Bixby Vision. Tap it, And if you're using it for the first time, you have to enable many stuff, but after you have that symbol here and go on that symbol, and now it will auto detect some text and also auto detect a translation. And if I have it like this, it will translate me that German text here from my German book into English. So it's very crazy, it works really. And yeah, also very crazy is that it keeps the kind of letters. So if I want to extract it, I just go on that symbol here, and it will bring it to my phone. So now I have it here in German text, so I can copy the German text I have scanned, and I could also use the English auto-detected texts here. And yeah, it's very nice to copy magazines, or if you're on a trip maybe and you have something what you don't understand maybe somewhere, you can just auto-detect it and it gives you it in your language. So that works with Google Translator. It's a very, very nice and useful tool. But also with that phone, you can take a screenshot. So we need the power button and the volume down button for press it for the same time, and you will have a screenshot. So very nice. And you could use it also with the edge of your palm. If you slide it across the screen, you will make also a screenshot. And you can also record a screen, but this feature just works in games. So let's go maybe into a game like here, Tom Goldwin maybe. And yeah, if you want to record a screen now in the game, you just swipe up the navigation bar and you have here a game center. One more time, you have here a game center, tap it, and now you have here the point record. If you go on record, the screen is now recording. So yeah, let us play a bit here. So this is just an information how to stop it. I will show you now. Yeah, maybe we want to stop it now. So we just swipe up here the navigation bar again, and here we have now the symbol to stop. One more time, I swipe it up and we have the symbol to stop here, and now the recording has stopped. And after, you will find the screenshots at the gallery, and here are my screenshots, and here is my screencast from the game Tom Goldwin. And at the albums, the screenshots has his own category, and yeah, also the recordings from the game is named by the app here, Talking Tom Goldwin. And the next tool is for the torch or the flashlight. Yeah, I guess you know already how to on and off it. No? Just scroll down and you can on and off it here. And so very easy. But there's another tool to change the brightness. So scroll down a second time. And now you have here the written word under the symbol. And if you tap that written word, you can change now, if you're on the torch, the brightness. No? You can make it very bright or less bright as you like. And if you're ready with, you go just on done and it will save your settings. So nice to know. Okay, let us be honest. For the next point, we are using our smartphone too much, and there's a software included which one shows us how often we have used our smartphone, how often we have a look in it, and yeah, which apps we are using and how much we are using that apps, and so on and so on. So we can control a bit ourselves to may use our smartphone a bit less. So let me show you how we can check it out. So just go here to the settings, and then this point is named Digital Wellbeing. And as you can see here, this is my statistics for the day, and I'm not that bad. Okay, I'm just showing you that video here. And yeah, I have already 10 unlocks today. I received 88 notifications, and yeah, these are the stuff I have used here already. So the camera this time and Bixby Vision this time, and most of the time I'm using the settings here on the phone, because for that video I've showed you much in it. And yeah, you could also check out which notification we have received, and you can set up a timer also, and maybe here for Gmail you can say, okay, I just want to have 30 minutes a day on Gmail, and after I cannot open it anymore. May do it with some gaming apps or something like this. And you could also, this is also very nice, wind down. So if we enable it, the complete screen, I don't know if you can see that, turns into gray. Let me go back here. Now the whole screen is turning into gray, and it is not so funny again to play a game or watching videos or something like this. But it's a way to control yourself. If it's turned on, you can schedule also a time when this feature should turn on. And yeah, this is a way to control a bit yourself. Everybody have to decide by its own if you want to do that or not. But I think it's a good moment to lift up our heads to see the other nice things that are next to our smartphone. Okay, but it's very difficult, I know, because our smartphone has so many nice features already. And also the next one is, the last one, I'm sorry, is also a very cute tool. So it is part of the camera. So if we enable the camera and go here on AR emoji, so sorry for my English, AR emoji, so augmented reality emoji, if we tap it, then we have here some very cute stickers, some very cute animals like this alligator here, and he's speaking like me now, and he's turning like me, and you cannot see how I'm turning my head, but he's also speaking like me, and I can shoot pictures of, or I can also take a video if I want, and I can send this video also to others. So it's a very cute tool. I can choose also some other characters here. This guy, this cute bear here for the girls. So everyone have his stuff, and I have also stickers here, which are for my face here, and now I'm look more funny. Yeah, so there are many features you can do with that camera. It is a start, so it's not really on the point, the limp sync, but I think maybe in 1 year it's it's very perfect, and yeah, I like it. Okay, yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and show you something new maybe. Yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.